Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the best SNES emulator on your PS Vita that isn't RetroArch. So I did do a SNES emulator in my RetroArch video, but I had quite a few comments of people saying they really didn't like RetroArch. They just don't like the way it's set up and stuff like that. So I thought I would do a video on a separate emulator. So this one is pretty cool. It's got a normal version and a modded version which was updated last year. So I will be using the modded version probably in this video. But anyway, what you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Vita Shell. And then once Vita Shell loads, all you want to do is press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, FTP server or USB connection, it really doesn't matter. And then I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so over on your PC, I'm going to show you guys two versions of this emulator. So it's called the CATSFC-SNES emulator, and it's made by Libretro, so you might recognize that name because this is by the same people that made RetroArch. So this version right here is the modded version, so the mod version 1. So if you want to get the modded version, all you want to do is scroll down and click download VPK. I'm going to go with the modded version in this video because it was updated in 2017, but it's also another version and I'll leave a link to that as well. This is exactly the same thing, but this one is not modded, so it's just like the normal basic version, but this was updated in August 2016, so kind of old now, pretty much 2 years old. So I would probably recommend sticking with this version, which is the modded one. So anyway, choose whichever one you want, and then once it has finished downloading, all you want to do is just head to your downloads folder on your PC, and there's actually a few things you need to do. So you will need some SNES ROMs, obviously, get these from wherever you want. This is compatible with both types, so SMC and SFC. Next, you'll need to create these two folders. So you're going to want to do right click, new, call it folder, and you want to call it this, exactly what this says, so CATSFC-Libretro Vita, so call it exactly that. And then you want to do right click, new folder again, and this time you want to call it ROMs. So I'm just going to do this one right now, ROMs, click enter, and there you go, you have a folder. So all you want to do is get your SNES ROMs, drag them into the ROMs folder, then drag the ROMs folder into the CATSFC folder. And then on your PS Vita, what you're looking for is actually the data folder. So what you want to do, right click, copy this file, go onto your PS Vita, go up to view, go to hidden items, go inside of the data folder, and all you want to do is just right click and paste it in here. I've already got it, so I'm just going to replace everything, and then it's just going to end up in here like that. Now back onto your downloads folder, all you want to do is copy that VPK you downloaded, whichever one you got, modded or normal, just copy it to the root of your PS Vita. So that is going to go into the UXO. Obviously, if you're using the FTP server, you can just put it in the UXO as well. So that is it for the PC. Now I'll go back onto my PS Vita and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so back on your PS Vita, all you want to do is scroll down and go onto your UXO. Then scroll all the way down from here and you're looking for the VPK that you just copied across. So here is mine, it's just called CATSFC. All you want to do is press X on it and then press X to install it. Make sure you have unsafe homebrew enabled in settings and then press X for yes. It's then just going to install very fast. So once it has finished installing, all you want to do is just press circle a couple of times and completely close out of Vita Shell. Then what you want to do is just find it on your home screen. So as you can see, here it is, it just came up for me. All you want to do, press X on it and then press X to start. So this is what the main menu is going to look like. As you can see, the mod is right here. It's actually the 4x3 mod and it was done on January 14th, 2017, so not too bad, but maybe like a bit old. But all you want to do is use left and right to scroll through the game settings. So if you go right, we can go onto options. We've got screen size and stuff like that. You can change everything in here, 60 FPS as well. If you guys see any settings on here that you want changed, you can go ahead and do that now. So let's just use right just to scroll through. So we've got game, we've got controls. Let's just have a look at the controls. This is just the basic PS Vita controls. You can change these if you want to. It tells you how to change them down there. I'm just going to leave them how they are because they're probably set up the best. So if you scroll onto game, all you want to do is just press X on your ROMs folder and then it's going to come up with both of your games. So let's try Super Mario World. All you want to do is just press X and it will begin opening. So this emulator is actually really good quality, really good sound. If you want to bring up that menu that we just had, all you have to do is press left and right at the same time. Now if I scroll along and go into, we've also got save and load now, so if you press square, it will actually just create like a save file just like that. And this is really cool because we can just browse through them and just press X to load it. What I'm interested in is options right now because I want to change the screen size. So you can actually go to full screen, then press X, and then just press left and right again, and then just press X on your game, and then hopefully the screen size will be full screen. So as you can see, it's now running in full screen mode, so let's do some quick gameplay. This emulator is pretty much exactly the same as the RetroArch version, just not actually in RetroArch. So yeah, let's just test out some quick gameplay. I'll turn up the sound a bit. So as you can see, completely playable with full working sound, no glitches or anything like that. It's actually a really nice basic emulator. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.